This is lesson 160, letters and sounds. Let's go to the first. Now, I've got some, I'm going to get my pointer so that I don't write all over this. I've got two boxes here. This one has a handle, so I can move it. This one doesn't have a handle, so I can't move it, okay? This is just my box that I put, this is just a cover, and that's my box that I put the blends in. So, we're going to go through the blends. You do them with me, okay? Here we have sk, a, skay, bur, bre, dur, dra. I'm going to go faster now. Per, I, pry, gur, gra, sn, o, snow. Oh, here we have 3-letter special sound. Spol, spoli. And another 3-letter special sound. Skr, scurry. Oops. Cur, cray. Oh, here's a 3-letter. Skr, scra. Sn, sn. Stir, I, stry. Sol, sla. Sp, spa. And that's all we have. So I get to put those back where they belong with a little squirrely thing. Little squirrely. Okay. And I have no idea what that noise is outside, but okay, we're going to go to the next slide. If you can get a piece of paper, one of the ones that's in your packet that has the lines on it, we're going to do a pretend spelling test. So get that ready, and I will get my pen. I'm going to give you some words and pretend that you're in first grade and you're spelling them. So you're going to start on this line, right kind of small, because I've got a few words to give you. Are you ready? The first word is fun. Fun, like I am going to have so much fun. Okay, sound it out and write it. Okay. Let's go to the next word. I'm going to write these after I'm finished with them. Okay, the next word is bike. I will ride my bike. Now on this one, remember it has a silent E on the end. Go ahead and write that here. Okay. The next one is sell. I am going to sell my bike. Sell. Write that right here. Let's go down to the next line. I want you to write van. A van is like a pickup, but kind of like a car. Van. Let's go to the next one. Time. It's almost time to wake up and smell the fresh air. Time. Remember, this one has 2 vowels, and the second vowel is on the end. And the last word is rug. Rug. Okay, so let's go back and I'm going to have you check that, see if you did it the same. But the first word was fun. And this is just for fun too. So don't worry if you got it wrong. It's just a practice, okay? So the second word was bike. It's fun to ride my bike. B. I. K. Remember, I said the silent letter is on the end, and it's an E. Okay, bike. Okay. The next one was sell. S. Wasn't a C, it was an S, remember? S. E. O. Now, whenever the L is on the end, a lot of times you need to double it. So that was kind of a difficult one. The next one is van, like something you drive, a van. V, a, n. Okay? And then it is time. And that is, remember the T is above the dotted line. T, I, just a dot. M. And what would go on the end to make the I say I? Because right now it says Tim. The E on the end makes the I say I. So I'm, silent E. And the last one was rug. G. There you go. And you have your words there. Okay, so I'm going to erase those. They're gone. Let's go to our paper. We have some words here, and we have some pictures. Now, we have a lot of special sounds. I'm going to get my little tiny one. So these are kind of hard if you don't remember your special sounds. So you might want to go review your special sounds. They're on the YouTube videos, okay? So, ch, you don't have to mark these if you don't need to. But if you need to mark them to remember them, you can do that. Ch, ch. Church. Do you see one? I think you do. And I'm going to erase that so that you can see better. There you go. Now this one has two special sounds in it too. That one had three. Sk. Do you remember what IR says? In bird. So sk. What do you think that one is? Skirt. Did you get skirt? Okay. Ooh, there is a special sound. R in stars, A-R. So when you get to the R, A-R, go R. Did you get barn? Barn? That would be right. Here we have, it doesn't say rose, but this is pointing to something else. So TH, remember you have to stick your tongue out for that one. This is another special sound, or, n, or, n. What's that thing? Thorn, that's right. Okay. This says to write the word that completes each sentence. Now you need to read this. you have three choices. Lunch, lunch, park, and sack. So there's three blanks. You get to read this and fill in that, okay? So I'm going to let you do that on your own. Let's go to the other side of the paper and do this, because you need to practice circling special sounds and marking vowels, okay? So remember, this says mark the vowels. So these are just vowels. They marked the first one. You need to mark your vowels. This has got one vowel. It has a smile. It does have a special sound, but we're not going to worry about that right now. This one has two vowels. Put a line over the first one, cross out the second one. Okay, so I need you to do that. Just mark your vowels, because we're kind of forgetting to circle special sounds when it's time to. This one down here, number 4, says circle the special sounds. Now you see they didn't mark vowels. So what I need you to do is go through and each one of these circle your special sounds on all of them. Now I see only one, this one, and one more that has 2 special sounds in it. This has 2. I'll give you the one that has 2. This one has 2. Bowl and k. So all the rest have 1 special sound, so don't skip any. Okay, so I'm going to clear that, and let's go down to this section. It says set the, what is that thing? Clock. So one of these goes in there. Circle the one that would be the beginning sound of clock. Dad will sit on the ump. What is that? Is that an ump? No, that's a tree. What? Stump. So you have to circle the special sound that is the beginning of stump. Let's go down here. L the rose. Meg, are you going to L the rose? What do you do to roses usually? I know what I do. I go up and I put my nose right up close. Go, ooh, that smells good. So you need to find which one goes, which of these special sounds goes on there. Okay. So I think that's all of it. Don't forget to get all of your special sounds. Mark all of your vowels. And on this side, make sure you put the right one. Otherwise, it's going to say, did Sam fix a sack? Did Sam fix a sack? That didn't sound very good. So you do it. Make sure it's not a silly sentence. Okay? So that's all we have for today for our phonics. That test, did you see the bone? Did you find the bone in that lesson? It was in there. Okay, you probably saw it hidden behind something. Okay, so I'm going to go to back to the front of the slide, and you have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.